right, why don't we? Well, no,
Let's get Sweetie in here.
Yeah, let's get the mayo thing going. It's Cinco de Mayo.
Mayo. See how clever we are?
Erock has $350 in front of him here.
Mm-hmm.
If you could get a whole jar of mayo down in the next
$350. I had a $300 count.
Sam's throwing 50 in.
Yeah, I know. I counted that. Opie's 100, Anthony's 100.
Yeah.
And my 50.
Okay, 300.
Sam's 50.
300.
Oh, the Mexican hat dance.
I
like the African American hat dance that we saw in the elevator. It's a good one. Down she goes.
You know how creeped out a girl gets if you're in a nightclub and you're holding a drink and you just stand in front of her and do that?
Just stare at her.
Yeah, and make the Mexican hat dance noise without smiling or blinking. Like almost accusing her of being a whore.
I don't think you're going home with her that evening.
Not really.
No, not voluntarily anyway.
Yeah.
On her part.
Funny joke. How about this? If you're a cat, you're going to do a Mexican cat dance.
Somewhere Colin's doubled over.
Yeah, he's loving it.
Oh, yeah, I told you. Wait, Patrice was enjoying a little chip yesterday. He was getting the vibe of chip.
He was.
Where's Erock? Let's get this going, man.
Yeah, where is he?
Erock.
Come on, sweetie pie. Oh, you get the mayo? Hi, my love. Where's Sam? He's going to watch this.
That is a lot of mayo. How many ounces?
That's standard. Yeah.
Get to the table, Erock. We got a mic up here.
This is,
over here.
Sorry.
Right on the table.
That's all I'm thinking now.
This is 30 ounces.
Yeah.
And let's check the nutrition.
Oh, it's Hellman's real mayonnaise.
1 tablespoon.
Is that a serving?
Is 90 calories.
Oh, shit.
How many tablespoons in
Calories
the whole thing?
from fat, 90.
Okay.
Total fat, 10 grams.
Oh, shit.
Sodium, 90 milligrams.
And that's in 1 tablespoon?
And 5 milligrams of cholesterol.
Oh, shit.
So-
and how many tablespoons are in that?
Yeah.
How many servings per?
60.
60 servings is five.
Do some math.
That's 5,400 calories. No. Wait a minute.
60 times 90. Yes, you're right, Ope.
Why are we so bad at this part? The math
Math
part.
is hard.
Math is hard.
I got it right.
It's all numbers.
5,400 calories.
All right, 5,400 calories.
You're going to attempt
How
to
much
eat 5,400 calories.
5 milligrams a
5
tablespoon.
milligrams.
Times 90.
That's 300.
450.
No, times 60.
300. 300 milligrams.
300 milligrams. And what's the daily allowance of cholesterol?
Not that.
I would assume it wasn't a full jar of
That covers him
Hellmann's.
up to 2013.
I don't even think it's healthy to have 1 tablespoon of mayo a day.
No.
Day in and day
The
out.
percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
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 That's going through the window right now.
What's the percent on cholesterol?
Out the
does
window,
it say?
Erock. I was going to say through the window.
2%.
2%. All
Close
right.
enough.
2%.
It is close.
2%.
enough,
All right.
All right. You're going to attempt this? Yeah. So we got $300 on the line. Erock is going to attempt to eat a whole jar of mayonnaise with a really big, oversized spoon. Look
With
at
a
this
happy
spoon.
face in it.
Oh, wow. It does have a happy face in
Now,
it.
Erock, how many spoons you could eat before it starts getting ugly?
It's getting ugly. I'd say about
Erock always
5, and it's going to really start to get ugly.
Before you eat 5, you ain't not going to get 5 giant
Of those big
spoonfuls.
spoonfuls?
What guarantees him $100? Because he's not eating that whole thing.
I think that we all have to make an informed judgment on that side, please. Thank you. We have to make an informed judgment that Erock has honestly done the best he could
Yeah.
and gotten as much out, and that he's not
Of
being, excuse my
course.
language, a big faker.
Yeah. Is that spoon going to fit in the jar?
It doesn't fit.
No. I looked at it and was like, that doesn't.
All right, well, then you have to use your fingers.
Oh.
Do we
You
have
use your hands. Just
another
wipe it off. It's
spoon.
mayo. It's not like it's fucking.
No, I can't fit my hand in there.
It's not rubber bands.
Hold on. Get a spoon.
Mayo in the jarro.
All right, here's. We got,
Now it's a little spoon, but it's a soup spoon. It's the plastic soupy spoon.
all right, Erock, you got an hour.
Okay. So I'll just go sit back over there.
Oh, no.
and
We
enjoy
wanna-
some
we
mayo.
wanna start
First
over
few,
here.
You got to start over here, you know.
Yeah,
All right.
It's like the finish line
We want to get a general feel
or the
for it.
starting line. Duh.
I like mayo with a little tuna fish and some celery in there.
Isn't that good?
yeah, you get yourself an English muffin with mayo and some tuna fish.
I like the tuner fish. That's good. When you put some mayo on your tuner fish, that tastes good.
And then you get it all up there nice and creamy, and you eat it on some saltines.
It's just a great snack to have around the house. Your mayo. Wow, I thought that was a glass jar. It's plastic, so you can actually squeeze it out into your mouth. It's pink socking out of the top of the...
Should I just bite into a chunk of mayo?
Yes, you should.
All right, Erock, let's go.
Bite into a chunk of mayo. He's just going to squeeze it out
not?
and bite into it.
Like a big
Good.
ice cream cone.
$300 up for grabs.
He's
if
actually
you
doing
get through
that
the
with glass.
whole
That's how
jar
hungry he
of
is.
mayo in an hour.
All right.
And
here it is, his first big
is about to begin.
heaping, helping a mayonnaise. For Cinco de Mayo. Oh, there he goes.
Oh, my God.
What do you think?
God.
Erock? Your mouth looks like Steve. You want a napkin?
Yes. And
How was that first heaping?
First one, not
That's
bad.
delicious.
Yeah, the first one you gotta
The boy
appreciate.
does love his mayonnaise.
He's a sweetie.
He really does love his mayo.
All right, but that's the first one.
Yeah.
Do you know what would make this bit perfect?
What?
He wouldn't do it.
What?
If he was naked except for his underwear, and we could snap his tits with rubber bands.
As he ate the mayo, yes. Wonderful.
Sorry.
What's the matter? You need a lot of napkins and stuff.
Yeah, it went up my nose a little bit.
Oh, it did? Yeah, that'll
up
happen.
your nose with a rubber hose.
Oh, come on, get a heaping spoonful of that mayonnaise.
There's the second heaping spoonful of mayo. Still good?
You know what?
I want to get it to the point where it's not good.
Dude,
Someone
he's
has a
loving this.
creamy
He's loving
treat.
it so far.
He is loving that. This is a big ruse
No,
because
it's
he made
not.
it sound like,
Nope.
ew, we gave him a bunch of
Nope.
money. This is like someone going, oh, wow, I'm going to give you a fucking lobster tail,
Nope.
and if you eat it, I'll give you
You
200
might be
bucks.
right.
This boy loves his mayo.
It's true.
That's two. So far, you're all in? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Washing it down with a little
Here goes spoonful
Gatorade.
number 3.
He's washing it down with some low-calorie Gatorade.
Yes.
G2 grape.
G2 grape. That's wonderful.
Here comes the third heaping spoon
Big
of mayo.
spoonful of mayo. Ow. There he goes.
Number 3.
How's it getting?
That was not quite as easily going
yeah, what's
down.
the matter?
Shouldn't have had the Gatorade, but
Oh, the Gatorade made it a little odd.
You might want to
Yeah.
go to water to help
Yeah, I
wash,
think I might do
wash it down.
Help
Gatorade.
wash it.
You got to wash it down with some water.
Yeah. Get a bottle of water. Wash that down.
That was 3. Here
There
comes
he
number
is.
4.
Number 4. That really makes that spoon stand straight up when you put it in there, huh? Yeah, that's thick,
Yeah.
creamy, real mayo. None
Number
of that
4.
low-fat shit.
There's number
There you
4.
go. He is up to how many fucking calories?
I'll be dead.
Jesus. Oh, boy. Say something else quick. I want those as your last
That was
word.
360 calories.
360 calories.
Your mom's.
No,
No.
that.
All right, here comes
Terrible.
number 5.
Mom's mayo.
Here comes number 5.
Number 5. Big, nice, another
He's
heaping.
already slowing down.
Oh, no, it's coating the teeth.
Is it?
Oh, you're very unkissable right now.
Yeah.
It's coating the teeth.
Number 5. Is that 5? All right.
That's great. And
Number
here it
6.
comes. Number 6. Do you know what your shit is going to be like, dude? That is going to lube everything up.
Yeah.
It's going to slide out of you like a water slide.
If you blink your eyes too hard, shit's gonna fall out.
I think your kidney's going to slide out. This is
Your-
number 6?
Yeah,
Your
this is-
logs are going through your digestive tract like Splash Mountain right now.
Number 6 is down.
Uh-oh. That's not quite as delish.
No.
Nah, it's starting to get to you a little bit.
Yeah. We're up
Can
to...
he stop trying to be sexy leaning against the window?
He is.
What
Look
a
at him.
jerk with his GQ pose.
Yep.
All right. I think he's going to try for number 7.
Yeah, he'll get it. He's doing fine.
Number 7 is in. 7 big heaping scoops of mayonnaise.
Let me
so
see
far.
in the top of that jar how much is left.
Have you made a dent in it?
It's
Yeah.
a dent, but
Quarter?
it's that skinny part of the jar.
Oh,
it's starting
no.
to fatten out now.
Yeah, I'm starting to hit the label.
Yeah, the label is the thickest part of the. He's doing all right though.
Say what you want about Erock, but he never disappoints.
He's the greatest.
All it is egg whites, right, and oil.
Yeah.
Isn't that what makes
I think that's about
mayonnaise?
Soybean oil, whole eggs,
Whole eggs,
egg yolks,
egg yolks.
vinegar, salt, sugar, lemon juice, and a
The
few
lemon
other
juice
little
is what
Don't
it
act like you've
Yeah,
never
yeah.
read this before.
Yeah.
Let me get it exact.
When
He
you're
says
on
he
the
was reading it. It's memorized.
Yeah.
All right, here goes
Those are the names of his children.
number
little,
8.
little wine, sugar. It looks like Clemenza.
Here goes 8.
Oh.
All right, 8
He just
wasn't
shuddered.
good. 8 wasn't good.
Erock just shuddered at the 720 calorie mark.
Have a sip of Gatorade.
Now, what was
It's better for you. It'll actually replenish
What
you.
was this shudder about? That little haul that you did.
I don't know.
That was his heart.
something.
His heart.
His heart just burped.
It's like when the vacuum sucks up a sock. Everything's going fine, and then
All right, he's going for 9.
oh god, here he goes.
He's starting to breathe heavy.
Yeah.
Are you sweating?
No, but my stomach's gurgling a little bit.
Oh, is it?
Oh, yeah, you're going to have the fucking explosive diarrhea.
I throw in an
Right
extra
here.
100 if you shit your pants in the studio.
Oh god, that burp must have been horrible.
Here goes number 9, Ant.
Shoes look fatter.
He got that one down.
Sure he did. Piece of cake.
He's got all mayo around his mouth, though.
I know.
He's going like, and it's all like mayo-y.
I know, sweet boy.
810 calories at the number 9 mark.
So make it even 900 if he gets spoonful number 10
Yep.
down.
These are not just tablespoons. These are fucking
900
massive tablespoons.
calories.
Yeah, he's way above that because there's only 60 tablespoons in this. There's
How
no-
long? How long walking to work off 900 calories?
Dude, that's
How long of a walk is that? Would you say? 900 calories.
That's a couple hours. That's
a
like
brisk
3
walk.
hours easy.
Is it a 3-hour walk?
Easy.
How come it's so much easier to put them on than to take them off? I just don't get it.
Yep.
Erock?
Number 10.
Here comes number
This
10.
isn't accurate though. We got to look at the jar and see how much he's
Someone's
killed.
saying about 2 hours of walking would work off.
I'd say more, but
Yeah, a little
whatever.
more.
You want to see how much I ate so far?
Yeah.
Wow.
How much is gone, Jimmy?
I would say
We're
about
down
30%.
we're down to here now.
It's making me nauseous just looking at it.
Yeah. 30% Erock?
Yeah. that's about-
Isn't it amazing how, like, mayo's great in a small dose?
Yeah.
Some stuff is really good in little small dose, but then big heaping helpings
Yeah.
like that, disgusting.
Like Cool Whip.
Yeah, I love
Cool Whip is good in big, giant doses, though.
Do you like Cool Whip?
I do,
You
but
could
I can't
take-
eat that much of it.
No, you could take like a spoonful. You can't eat. You're eating mayonnaise and you can't eat Cool Whip?
Oh, I couldn't eat like a container of Cool Whip.
I could. I used to just take fucking.
Figgy boy takes a Friggy ride.
Here
You
goes
can do it.
10.
Big boy.
10 heaping
There's
spoonfuls of mayo.
Wow.
Swallow.
Erock would need to walk 8 20-minute miles.
That's an hour.
3 miles an hour. So 8 20-minute miles in order to work off what he just ate. Oh,
Yeah.
Now he's rinsing his
that
mouth
was
out
just
with
a rinse?
water.
Yeah.
There's a little rinse and spit.
Okay.
It's getting
Now,
very salty.
Very thick and.
if you're a
So
third
lot
of the
of
way
sodium.
done with the jar, that would be 1,800 calories.
Yeah.
Because didn't we say
It was
5,400?
5,400 for the jar.
So
He might be
1,800.
taking more than a
Right, all right.
tablespoon.
That's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. Yeah, we're past that.
$100. Third of the jar.
Wait, you've already made $100 back.
Yeah.
Here goes heaping spoonful number 11.
Slipping out of my fingers.
Well, squeeze the jar, sweetie pie.
Yeah, you squeeze it.
No, no.
Oh, the spoon is slipping out of your
Yeah.
fingers?
Get a
Get
little
him a
mayo
new
on his
spoon.
knuckles.
Yeah.
Poor
yeah,
baby.
Out of his hooves.
Here's number 11.
Here it is.
You can't do this?
Ken is just rough now.
11 is in.
This music is hysterical.
Well, it's Cinco de Mayo.
Terrible.
Yeah, Erock would need to walk 16 miles at 3 miles an hour. Think you could do that after the mayo?
Do I look like I walk?
All right.
All right, he's cleaning off the spoon. He's going for teaspoon number 12. Ugh.
That was really disgusting.
Here goes number 12.
Here it is. Big number 12. Wow, that is a heaping helping right there. Just up to the tippity top of that spoon, all heaped over it in a big mountain of mayo.
Yeah. You should eat it, and as you're swallowing it, spin in a circle a few times. Get the dizzies going.
Oh, God.
Churn it. Come on, suck it down.
You got
A
it.
wad of dog
There it
cum.
is. There it is.
Salty and
Ooh,
sweet.
number 12.
You don't want to
So he almost gagged. Are you getting a gagging sensation?
Starting to.
Yeah? Oh, that's a bigger spoon.
Look who it is.
Good idea.
Man of the Year outfit brings in sexually leaning against the
I
window.
know.
Hi, boys.
From Giant Queer magazine. Kenny.
Erock might be done.
Oh, Erock, use the bigger spoon.
Are you almost half done?
Oh, there he goes. He's going to the bigger spoon. Yeah, where are you? He's tamping it down.
I am just above half.
Just above half.
Just
Holy
above half?
Shit.
Just above half.
There's no way he's going to be able to do this.
No. He's having a hard time getting the spoon down into the jar there.
Here comes number 13.
Oh, Cinco de Mayo with Erock earning his money by eating an entire jar of Hellman's mayonnaise. Not that low-fat crap either. That's real mayo in giant heaping tablespoonfuls. It's already up to, what is he up to?
This is
Number 13.
Lucky 13. Here it is. A lot of calories, a lot of cholesterol, sodium, all the stuff that's good for you. Oh, he's had a lot longer delay from the spooning it up to the putting it in his mouth segment. He gagged pretty heartily during that last one. He's shoving in there.
13's in.
He's making the
Now the faces are a lot different.
Yeah, he's making the face. You make them the first. Oh, wait. Oh, God, is he throwing up? Oh, okay, there it goes. We have a winner. Here, you're right there. You're right. He doesn't look good. No. There goes the flights over Europe again. Say, oh my God, you could hear the chunkiness. Well, at least he lost a little weight.
One more. I see it. One more.
Oh, wow, the tip of his nose is wet. It came out his nose a little bit, right? And eyes. Mayo came out of his eyes. Wow,
Erock.
You know something? That is fantastic. I've got to hear that one puke sound again.
You want it? I have it.
Oh, yeah, of course you do.
I do. Hang on.
Let's hear that great sound.
All right.
He doesn't look good. No. is such a good one.
That might beat the Pat from Menaki.
That was a lot more viscosity to it, is what it was.
I don't know if you guys saw that on the angle that you're on,
Yeah.
but it basically looked like he was vomiting marshmallow fire.
Oh, God. Erock, comment?
How you doing? Oh, God. It's still in. I think it's in his lungs.
Sam, could you do me a favor? Could you just get close? Just smell the garbage can and smell how the garbage can smells.
Ooh, there's red in there.
What? Oh, is that from the Gatorade?
Yeah, it's a game.
Probably
That's
pimento.
purple.
Oh.
No, leave it there, Charlie.
Red.
Okay.
What did you have for breakfast?
Smell it. I want Sam to smell the garbage can and see if it's bad. I don't want to get near it.
Ooh.
Is that awful?
It smells like partially digested mayonnaise.
What did you have for breakfast that might be red?
I had an oatmeal cranberry bar. That was it.
Cranberry.
Oh,
That'll do
cranberry,
it.
see,
Yeah. That's a little flex of cranberry in there.
Well,
Yeah.
The question is he going to continue?
Oh,
course
my
he is.
God. How is he going to
Well, I'm just. It has to be asked.
He knows he is.
Erock?
He just cleared out his system. He's got fucking another half a thing up.
Game on.
Game on!
Erock is a trooper, man.
What are the rules that he
He
can
is the
continue?
best. There we go. The
Music's
music's,
back.
the music's gone. This guy is a trooper.
All right.
All right, we're at half here.
Smell, Danny?
We're at half. Yeah, it smells pretty bad. I
He
got
doesn't
a little
even
whiff
check.
of it before.
Oh, there goes the voice. Great.
They're calling you Mount St. Helmans. Trucker Rob with probably the line of the day right there.
That's good.
Oh, boy.
This is number 14.
14.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right.
Suck it down.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Cinco de Mayo.
Yeah, come on.
There it is.
Well, you can do it like a giant rotted oyster.
Oh, it's in his mouth.
Of course it
He's
is.
swallowing.
Like, it's like a big chunk of snot. It's one big piece.
He just hit Jimmy with the giant happy face spoon. I didn't think there was mayo on that. Is it? No. Hold on.
Oh, sorry.
That's right.
A little water to wash it down. And make sure that mic is in the proper position if anything happens to happen. Here he goes.
What are we up to?
15.
Number 15?
15.
15.
You are a
Yeah,
true
we are.
champion.
We are below half here now.
Yeah, below half. He is a champion.
Oh, it's awful.
Oh, the bile. Yeah.
Here goes number 15.
Oh, wow. There it is. Come on. Nice clam.
Looks like he's sucking down a cyst.
Oh, that was tough.
15 was rough, huh?
15 was pretty tough.
All right.
Ooh. Oof. It's
Yeah.
burning now.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
What number?
This will be number 16 coming up.
16. Something really stinks. Is that the puke?
Yes. Yeah. Yes.
I think this is mayonnaise.
Come on, get a nice heaping helping on there. Get a big spoon.
Yeah.
Here comes
that's
number
good.
16. That's a big one.
That looks like a lanced infection. Like
Lance!
You ever see those zit squeezing videos on YouTube? They're pretty
Like
disgusting.
cysts?
Yes, cysts. Where the pus just like they squeeze, and it all just bursts out. Bursts out like that. There you go.
Of a spoiled milk texture.
Yeah. All right. Go get it. Cinco de Mayo.
Number 16.
Number 16.
You got this, Erock.
Here he goes.
Yeah.
You got it.
And
You got it.
here he goes. Number 16.
You can do it.
Yeah, you could do it.
It's like a cancerous tumor.
Oh, number
Really
16 is
Here he
in.
goes. Come on.
Suck down that tumor.
He's having trouble.
No, he's got it. He's got it.
Please, this kid doesn't play games.
Oh, he just made like a dry heave kind of a woo.
All right.
A little more water.
more water?
Wash it down.
Anybody have any AAAs? My fucking camera's going.
Really?
Get a new one. Those things
No
are the worst.
shit. AAAs?
No,
Anywhere in the
God.
building?
Is Sam filming in here?
Yeah, we're
Oh,
filming.
right there. Okay.
All right, we're going for number 17. 17.
17.
Go for a quick one here. Nice and quick.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Right in.
Go ahead. Don't
Right
even
in.
line up for
Exactly.
it. Just go. Yeah, it stinks in here, right? Mars?
Thank you.
Mars just walked in and was like, ugh.
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead,
Number
real
17.
quick. Here you go.
Yeah.
What's the matter?
You can do it.
Oh, you just burped.
I feel it moving.
Oh, shit.
Boy.
One more. Yeah, take it.
Never in the right direction.
Never.
Here he goes.
It's like you licked the floor of an adult bookstore.
Fucking Jimmy. Number 17 is in.
That's right. Suck down that splooge.
He's wiping his mouth. He's got to clean up a little bit. There you go. Put a little something on the dresser for you, honey. There's a plenty. Scram.
Going for 18.
Yeah. Kid is amazing.
All right. Number 18. Oh, shit.
I'm going to wait.
Hold
These
on a minute.
fucking flip cams are
These
terrible.
fucking suck.
That's the 2-hour one, dude. The battery problems with those
Hold on a
things are
minute.
garbage. They're a bunch of garbage. Hold on. Oh, I didn't know you could use regular.
double A's.
Ah.
Oh, Mars.
Mars, you got double A's?
All right, well, Sam is filming it.
Well, just hold on a minute. All right, what is this, number 18?
Yeah.
I need double A's if anyone has them.
Yeah.
All right, number 18 going in.
Here he goes. Wow, that's a big one. Oh, yeah. That's a big full spoonful.
That's a, yeah.
Cinco de Mayo. Erock.
Thick, overflowing spoonful.
Oh, just eating a full
It's shaking.
standard jar of Hellman's mayonnaise. Not your little condiment you get from room service. This is a been in the refrigerator for months, perhaps a year jar, depending on how much mayo you use. Size of he shuddered a little there before he got this in.
It's moving.
He's
Yeah,
trying.
yeah, right.
Well, you know something? Fight back with another spoonful.
Yeah, exactly.
Fight that.
Keep it
fight
down.
back. Keep it down. The weight of that spoonful will hold it back down.
Yep. A thick,
I
heavy
know.
spoonful.
I'm in pre-med.
Number
There it goes.
18.
Swallow it fast.
Oh, yeah. Swallow it down.
Oh,
Yeah.
there he goes.
No, that's easy. You got this.
Yeah, you could do
he's
it.
shuddering a little.
Uh-oh.
He was rocking back and forth.
Look at the crowd outside the fucking studio.
I know.
They're all watching.
pulling for you. Oh, he went for the
display.
garbage. Make sure if anything happens, that microphone gets put right there.
No problem.
Oh,
All right, hold on.
A little
I got
rinse.
double A's now.
He's
Hold on.
taking a little rinse.
Don't fucking puke yet.
Oh, he's not gonna. He's not gonna puke. He's fine. He's fine.
Yeah.
I should be good to go now.
This kid's got an iron stomach.
Yeah, he's perfect. I wouldn't worry about it.
All right.
Should it be hard to breathe?
No.
Nah, don't worry
Unless you're
about that.
allergic to eggs.
Oh, that would suck.
Are you?
Like, are you kidding me? We do it in dead years ago. Why is it hard to breathe? You're probably feeling stuffed.
We're going for 19 right now?
Yeah.
You should. Are we getting close to the end of the jar?
Hold on. Let me-
He's got to get that spoon in there pretty good to get another big
We are
heaping,
at-
topping.
Spelling it.
We're just below.
Wow. You have eaten a lot of mayonnaise.
What a sweet boy. Wow, Erock. He's a good boy.
Number 19 coming up?
Yeah.
All right.
It just looks like white fucking paste at this point.
Yeah. Spackle. Here we go.
Pudding.
Yeah, you're right.
Wow. Salty pudding.
Number 19 going in.
And coming out.
And there it is. Number 19.
Nah, you're
Get
fine.
it down there.
You're good. You're good.
Swallow.
Big swallow. Oh,
Swallow.
Oh, you're good. No, you're good. You're good.
oh, that was
He's
tough.
fighting the urge. You're good.
By the way, you should see some of the people from Shade are walking by. Like, what are these crazy crackers doing in there?
Yeah. I know. Can we just talk to rappers and be shot at?
They're thinking that. Why it has to go to gun violence?
Well, of course it does.
I think 30 will do it, and he's about to try number 20 here.
Wow.
30 spoons will do it.
Finished off a bottle of water.
Get some more water for
he's
Erock,
more-
please.
No, he's got another bottle there.
Oh, okay.
He's more rinsing with it than he is swallowing the water. He wants to make sure his stomach's just filled to the tippity top with beautiful mayonnaise.
And my arteries.
Yeah.
Here's heaping spoonful number 20.
20 huge spoonfuls of mayonnaise here on Cinco de Mayo, which Erock is celebrating by eating an entire jar of Hellman's mayonnaise. Here he goes. Wow, it's taking him a while. He puts that spoon about a foot away from his mouth and just has to look at it. He has to psych himself up for it.
Yep.
He's got his hand up like he's burping. Wait, he just burped. Uh-oh. He looks like the indigestion guy on TV. Indigestion.
All right.
Exactly. A wafer thin mint.
Number 20.
Here comes big 2-0. Oh, my God. He just put it back in. Wait a minute.
Come on,
Get that
Erock.
mic.
No, Erock.
Tough it down there.
Get that mic. Oh, no.
You hold that mic.
How are you doing? How you doing, Erock? No, you're all right?
He's fine.
Oh, wait. No.
Oh, okay.
No, you all right?
False alarm.
Oh, wow. I thought he was going.
That was close.
Number 20.
Number
He put
20.
it back in the jar. Now it's back out. Here's number 20. He's having a hard time just even working up the courage. There he goes.
All right,
it's in
he's
his mouth.
He's in.
He dropped the spoon in
He's
the,
in. He's in.
jar. There he goes. Oh, my God. Oh, no.
He's okay. He's all right, Ant. He's all right.
You all right?
I love how the music dramatically stops.
He just gets silent.
Sam won't watch him puke. He can't watch it.
No, Sam can't watch. You're all right there, Erock, right?
He's blowing mayo out his
I
nose.
think Erock's done a fantastic job. I think he's earned his keep.
Yeah, I do.
That's up to him.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's up to him.
Ow.
How you doing there, Erock?
Wow, there's something dripping off the tip of his nose.
He's dripping from everywhere.
Yeah.
There's mayo coming out his ears.
Erock?
That hurt.
He's collecting himself.
The gurgling, Erock, what does that feel like coming up?
Oh, it burns.
Burns?
I'm sure there's a lot of stomach acid mixed in with the
Yeah,
mayo.
yeah. Vinegar in it. It's very thick.
Interesting note on that last one.
Yeah.
I guess it was the big sounding one. It came out as a bubble. This is where it
did
popped
sound-
as it left my mouth.
It did sound very bubbly. Oh, he went back for the...
Okay.
He's just trying to spit it out. It's now lining his entire esophagus, I bet. Wow. That's tough. How much is left in there, by the way?
He's kicking this jar's ass.
Yeah, he really is just kicking the jar of mayonnaise ass.
Is
Is it up to the
I
bottom
think
of
he's
the
hitting
label
bottom
yet?
with the spoon.
right here.
You're just about at the bottom of the... Almost to the bottom of the label. And then there's about an inch or so of jar left beneath the label.
I would guess about 10 spoonfuls left. He's done
Wow.
2/3 of the bottle. Or the jar. The jar.
I think he's on more than that even.
Wow. Holy fuck, Erock is a trooper. Sam has never done anything even close to this.
True.
See, now Erock is actually getting kudos for this, and Sam is looking like the asshole.
That he is.
See how people turn?
How many mouthfuls? Could you take one mouthful of mayo?
No.
Why?
I would be gagging and throwing up after. I mean, I wouldn't even be able to hit my lips before I started gagging and throwing up.
One mouthful of mayo?
There's no way I could even hold it in my mouth. I'd be throwing up within a minute.
Wow.
One mayo?
Yeah. I can't even.
Erock, are we done
Come
officially? Let's talk to Erock. Is he done? He's controlling this bit.
I'll try for some more, but
Oh my
the next throw up, I'm done because
the next throw up.
I don't have. I think my voice is almost completely shot.
All right. All right. Game on. Here we go. Cinco de Mayo.
Boy, this has news all over it. Celebrating Cinco de Mayo.
Yes.
All right, Jimmy. You're
Oh,
right.
God.
Yeah.
All right.
Intestine dies.
I love the music. Back again. Thank God.
Yes. All right. This would be
21.
heaping spoonful number 21 in, I believe.
21. 20 was very difficult.
Is this bad
for
for
him.
you?
No. He's puking it up.
Or is
He's
it
fine.
okay?
As long as you puke it up.
Yeah.
Basically, he hasn't taken in any calories yet. Number 21.
Da-da-da-da-da-da. He's taking a lot of time in between scooping the mayo and putting it in his mouth. Have you noticed how? Remember that first spoonful? Went down so easily.
21.
Should do somersaults now.
You have 21.
Blackjack.
Blackjack. He is really having a hard time putting these down now. Is it the taste, the texture, or just the fact that your esophagus is inflamed now that is making it difficult? Erock?
That and there's just a lot of salt.
A lot of salt.
Salt is really making it burn.
All right.
That's what makes it so tasty on a nice turkey and American cheese sandwich.
How bad do you not
it's
want mayo right now, Erock?
I think I'm done with mayo.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I bet.
Is he going for 22?
Yeah.
He says yeah.
Okay.
He says yeah.
22.
Gurgling was amazing.
How many people have tuned out? This sucks. Oh, well.
No.
All right, he's having a hard time getting the spoon down there. It's really getting low. And
Hi,
again,
Nicole. Nicole for the morning mashup, horrified.
No, I'm going to help you. I'm going to help you, okay? This is a little trick I learned.
Brings
Okay?
shit on a
Open up
treadmill
your
and a
throat,
I don't know how
shotgun.
to deep throat.
And yeah, well, you have to learn right now.
Oh, shit.
And don't taste it. Don't let your tongue touch the roof of. Oh my God, look at your eyes. Don't let your tongue touch the roof of your mouth. You don't want to taste it. Just swallow it. We have to do it all the time as girls.
Oh, wow.
Come on.
Wow, there
Take
you
a big
go.
spoonful.
That's it.
Stinks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's mayo.
This is heaping teaspoon number 22 as Erock attempts to eat a whole jar of mayo for Cinco de, that's right, mayo.
Yeah, of course.
Number
Here he goes.
22.
Again, just staring down that spoonful.
Yeah.
He can't just go from jar to mouth now. Here he goes. There it is. Now he's trying the technique of not tasting it, but the trouble is he can't swallow it very quickly now because he's full. He can't just swallow it. Oh, there it is. Oh, God.
I tried.
What happened?
Oh, yeah, I'll show you.
Okay.
Slee stack.
Oh, fuck.
Wow, did that just...
Oh, boy.
You right, Erock? Those should be webbed.
Terrible.
Well, he said if he puked again, that would be it.
Yeah,
I'm done.
All right.
Oh, he's done.
Cool.
He's
Thanks
calling
for,
it.
Thanks for quitting.
Snorkel with those swim fins.
No, elbows on.
I know exactly what's going on.
Yeah, that's great.
Holy shit. Fucking, hey, Tootsie's McGillicuddy. Get out of here. Great job, Erock. You're the best, man.
Someone right now is busy pouring plaster into her footprints.
Oh.
I never noticed that.
Shouldn't you be looking over your shoulder in 1967 in the California woods?
Some guy on horseback?
Yes.
Holy shit.
Jesus. Goodness.
I have to tweet that.
Holy.
Sharing's caring.
Holy Toledo.
Oh, God. What is it? Look at these. Oh. Have you?
Erock, any final thoughts? Over here. Any final thoughts on your mayo challenge?
Like an alien's
Done with mayonnaise.
You'll never
Yeah.
eat it again?
That's it.
Not
was-
for the foreseeable.
Erock,
future.
you've done
What was the worst part?
amazing
The throwing
job,
up?
Erock.
The second round of throwing up was actually the
A little more
hardest.
painful.
Probably did some damage.
Can we hear the second round of puking, the gurgling? Because I want to hear the bubble that Erock spoke of. He said it came up in a bubble and then burst.
I have the second round of puking.
Hold on, does anybody want to talk to Warren Haynes?
The audio's not on.
Sorry.
Is it?
Hey, fat girl.
Oh my God.
Nope. It's not.
Oh, Jesus. Holy shit.
We should get Erock out of here, right?
Yeah.
Any last thoughts? You good?
Camo pants ain't working
Yeah.
on that one.
No.
Jesus Christ.
Exactly. If you want to camouflage yourself, it should be like space and small planets. Can't.
It should be. If she wants to go outside, it should be bricks and a door. Stand against. Right, get it. We get it.
Stand
She's as
against
big as a
what?
building.
Windows and pane, and we know. Perhaps.
Oh, God. Jeez. I didn't think Meatloaf was swinging back through.
Oh, it's awful.
Is that?
Oh, what does she look like?
Oh, God. I must laugh.
She looks like at least 3 different people from the WWE. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Thanks, Erock.
Erock,
Good job.
fantastic. Claim your winnings.
Take your booty.
They're right over there, I guess.
Get my 100 from over there.
Opie's 100 is over there. Right there in the bear trap.
That's it. He almost did it.
He pretty much, you know.
He did a little over 2/3 of the mayo
Yeah.
jar. That's not bad. All right, Erock.
and
Good
puke.
job.
Can we hear the, let's hear the second round of gurgling.
I have the second round. I also have, if you want to go back in time to when it was all fun and games, I have his first bite when he was so excited.
Oh, okay. Let's have the first bite and then the second round of puking. All right.
And
Here it is, his first big.
is about to begin.
Keeping helping a mayonnaise. Ah, for Cinco de Mayo. Oh, there he goes.
Oh, my God.
Ah, what do you
my
think,
God.
Erock? Your mouth looks like Steve. You want a napkin?
Yes. And
How was that first heaping
First one not
That's
bad.
delicious.
Ah, he went, that's delicious. You heard it. Very exciting. He was like, this is a breeze. That's delicious.
Yeah, made a bag of shells.
And then within a few minutes later,
15
there he goes.
maybe.
Oh, my God. Oh, no.
He's okay. He's all right, Ant. He's all right.
You all right?
Was that Erock or was that girl's prom date? And he went to pick her up. She's merely huge.
Oh, yeah. Carrie. Oh, not her without a forklift.
Oh, I hope Erock doesn't stand next to her. We won't be able to tell who's who. That was wonderful.
All right.
Is that mayonnaise I smell on your breath? It's like a mint to her. It's like Axe body spray.
We should take a break. That was amazing.
Yeah, absolutely.
We'll have some video up later. I think I'm putting that up in real time.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
It's fantastic.
Just fuck it.
Yeah.
In sections in real time.
That's great.
All right, quick break, and we'll finish up the show next. Stay there.
Wow, I thought that was a glass jar. It's plastic, so you can actually squeeze it out into your mouth. It looks it's pink socking out of the top of the.
Should I just bite into a chunk of mayo?
Yes, you should.
All right, Erock, let's go.
Bite into a chunk of mayo. He's just gonna squeeze it
Why
out
not?
and bite into it.
Like a big
Good.
ice cream cone.
$300 up for grabs.
He's
if
actually
he can
doing
do
that
the
with glass.
whole
That's how
jar
hungry he
of
is.
mayo in an hour.
All right,
And
here it is. His first big
is about to begin.
heaping, helping a mayonnaise. For Cinco de Mayo. Oh, there he goes.
Oh, my God.
What do you think,
God.
Erock? Your mouth looks like Steve. You want a napkin?
Yes. And
How was that first heaping?
First one not
That's
bad.
delicious.
Yeah, the first one you gotta
The boy
appreciate.
does love his mayonnaise.
He's a sweetie.
He really does love his mayo.
All right, but that's the first one.
Yeah.
Do you know what would make this bit perfect?
What?
He wouldn't do it.
What?
If he was naked except for his underwear and we could snap his tits with rubber bands.
As he ate the mayo, yes. Wonderful.
Sorry.
What's the matter? You need a lot of napkins and stuff.
Yeah,
right?
it went up my nose a little bit.
Oh, it did?
Oh,
yeah, that'll
up
happen.
your nose with a rubber hose.
Oh, come on, get a heaping spoonful of that mayonnaise.
There's the second heaping spoonful of mayo. All right, why don't we... well, no,
Let's get Sweetie in here.
yeah, let's get the mayo thing going. It's Cinco de Mayo.
Mayo. See how clever we are?
Erock has $350 in front of him here.
Mm-hmm.
If you could get a whole jar of mayo down in the next hour.
$350. I had a $300 count.
Sam's throwing 50 in.
Yeah, I know. I counted that. Opie's 100, Anthony's 100,
Yeah.
and my 50,
Okay, 300.
Sam's 50.
300.
Oh,
Oh, the Mexican hat dance. I like the African American hat dance that we saw in the elevator. It's a good one. Down she goes.
You know how creeped out a girl gets if you're in a nightclub and you're holding a drink and you just stand in front of her and do that?
Just stare at her.
Yeah, and make the Mexican hat dance noise without smiling or blinking. Like almost accusing her of being a whore.
I don't think you're going home with her that evening.
Not really.
No, not voluntarily anyway.
Yeah.
On her part.
Funny joke. How about this? If you're a cat, you're going to do a Mexican cat dance.
Somewhere Colin's doubled over. Cholesterol.
5,400 calories.
5 milligrams a
5
tablespoon.
milligrams.
Times 90,
that's 300.
450.
No,
No,
times
60.
60.
300. 300 milligrams.
300 milligrams. And what's the daily allowance of cholesterol?
Not that.
I would assume it wasn't a full jar of
That covers him
elements.
up to 2013.
I don't even think it's healthy to have 1 tablespoon of mayo a day.
No.
Day in and day
The
out.
percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
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 That's going through the window right now.
What's the percent on cholesterol?
Out the
does
window,
it say?
Erock. You don't say through the window.
2%.
2%. All
Close
right.
enough.
2%.
It is close.
2%.
enough, Erock.
All right.
All right. You're going to attempt this? Yeah. So we got $300 on the line. Erock is going to attempt to eat a whole jar of mayonnaise with a really big, oversized spoon. Look
With
at
a
this
happy
spoon.
face in it.
Oh, wow. It does have a happy face in
Now,
it.
Erock, how many spoons you could eat before it starts getting ugly?
Jesus, it's getting ugly.
This-
I'd say
See,
about
Rock always
5, and it's going to really start to get ugly.
Before you eat 5, you ain't not going to get 5 giant
Of those big
spoonfuls.
spoonfuls?
What guarantees him $100? Because he's not eating that whole thing.
I think that we all have to think, have to make an informed judgment on that side, please. Thank you. We have to make an informed judgment that Erock has honestly done the best he could and gotten as much out, and that he's not being, excuse my language, a big faker.
Yeah. Is that spoon going to fit in the jar?
No. It doesn't fit?
No. I looked at it and was like, that doesn't.
All right, well, then you have to use your fingers.
Oh.
Do we have
use your hands?
Get
Just
another
wipe it off.
spoon.
It's mayo. It's not like it's fucking...
No, I can't fit my hand in there.
It's not rubber bands.
Hold on. Get a spoon.
Mayo in the jarro.
All right, here's...
Now it's a little spoon, but it's a soup spoon. It's the plastic soupy spoon.
All right, Erock, you got an hour.
Okay. So I'll just go sit back over there.
Oh, no.
and
We
enjoy
want
some
to
mayo.
start over here.
You got to start over here, you know.
Yeah,
All right. It's like the
get
finish line.
We want to get a general feel
Or the
for it.
starting line. Duh.
I like mayo with a little tuna fish and some celery in there.
Isn't that good?
Yeah, you get yourself an English muffin with mayo and some tuna fish.
I like the tuna fish. That's good. When you put some mayo on your tuna fish, that tastes good.
And then you get it all up there nice and creamy, and you eat it on some saltines.
It's just a great snack to have around the house. Your mayo.
Yeah, I just love it.
Oh, yeah, I tell you. Wait, Patrice was enjoying a little chip yesterday. He was getting the vibe of chip.
He was.
Where's Erock? Let's get this going, man.
Yeah, where is he?
Erock.
Come on, sweetie pie. Oh, you get the mayo? Hi, my love. Where's Sam? He's going to watch this.
That is a lot of mayo. How many ounces?
That's standard.
Yeah.
Get to the table, Erock. We got a mic up here. Over here.
Sorry.
Right on the table.
That's all I'm thinking now.
This is 30 ounces.
Yeah.
And let's check the nutrition.
Oh, it's Hellman's real mayonnaise.
1 tablespoon
Is that a serving?
is 90 calories.
Oh, shit.
How many tablespoons? In the whole
Calories
thing?
from fat, 90.
Okay.
Total fat, 10 grams.
Oh, shit.
Sodium, 90 milligrams.
And that's in 1 tablespoon?
And 5 milligrams of cholesterol.
Oh, shit.
So-
and how many tablespoons are in that?
Yeah.
How many servings per?
60.
60 servings is
Do some math.
That's
5,400
400.
calories. No. Wait a minute.
60 times 90. Yes, you're right, Ope.
Why are we so bad at this part? The math
Math
part.
is hard.
Math is
Yeah,
hard.
I got it right.
It's all numbers.
5,400 calories.
All right, 5,400 calories.
You're going to attempt to
How
eat
much